Alrighty, I'm gearing up for the first drive. There is, so as far as the oil leak, this right here, it's leaking because the oil, when the car was tipped, the oil like went behind the oil pan by the serpentine belt, and it's just burning off and dripping when the car gets hot. But I don't think it's leaking oil. But I'm gonna take it around and I'm gonna see. I think I'm just gonna send it for the first drive and see how it does. I think I'm just paranoid on the car, to be honest, but I'm gonna get it to operating temperatures and then kind of go from there. So once it's at operating temperatures, we'll start it on video, and then we'll go ahead and go for a first drive. It's perfect weather for it too. So I'll be back once the car's ready to drive. Oh, righty. Okay, so maiden voyage on the new turbo with 9,000 leaks. I'm not sure if I'm still leaking oil or not. It's a mystery. I think it's just residue that got built up. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're just gonna take it for a spin and see how it does. Let me move all this shit. Oh man, does anyone else get like really nervous on new builds? It's already up to temp, so we don't really need to do any of that. I mainly just want the fans to kick on. Feels like a lot more responsive with this turbo than the 62, 66. Feels a lot better. The battery's not tied down all the way, I just noticed, but watching oil pressure and temperature to make sure everything is gonna turn on. But I think it feels good. I haven't driven the car in so long, so I don't know. Oh! I don't know if you guys can hear the blow-off valve, but it definitely just went off, and oh my god. The turbo sounds amazing. Yeah. Hoping that the oil leak is not actually an oil leak, because I really want to go really drive this fucking thing now. Temperature looks good, oil pressure looks good. Sorry for the jingle in the back. It yeah. Oh, it sounds so good. Holy fuck. It feels so good. Just taking it out of context. But everything, it's spooling. It feels like it wants to go. I just shift turbo, I wasn't getting the 62, 66. I wasn't getting that spool from it. But this is spooling so low, like 22,000 RPMs. And I mean, it just, holy crap. This thing wants to eat right now. Like, it feels like it wants to go. Which is a good sign that it doesn't feel super laggy or anything like that. I have no check engine light, but it's gonna come. Holy crap. I am just excited I'm actually driving it. Oh my god. No smoke out of the exhaust yet, knock on wood. Man, I don't know if you guys can hear the turbo or not. It just looks like I'm moaning, but like, or it just sounds like I'm moaning, but it's kicking on so good. Temp, good. Oil pressure, good. Temperature. Smell some oil, but you know. Holy fuck, this thing is. All right, I am going to switch off, so I'll be right back. All right, we are just transitioning straight over. That thing is hot as a bitch. A little bit of leakage, but I don't think it's actually leaking from the spot that it was originally. I think it's just excess. But yeah, I mean, that's just new turbo burn, I believe. I hope to God it is. But anyways, I'm gonna back the car up, back in its home, and then I'll get right back to you guys. So, believe it or not, I did lose my brakes. So, I know the car's off right now, but they were like hard as a rock. Like, I could not. Thankfully, I only took it around the neighborhood, so it's fine. That is probably that maybe. Oh, fuck me. Yikes. I knew I shouldn't. Okay. Yeah, so I melted. Oh, fuck me. It's a good thing I took it a very short drive. I will get a new one ordered of this. Yeah. I figured I would run into issues like that, just with the heat. It's gonna get very hot over here, so there's still a lot of stuff that I need to wrap up. Like, literally wrap up. Like that right there on the ground. I don't know if you can see. Right here, this is the coolant drain down there. It's touching the ground almost. So, gonna have to wrap that up. I mean, Holy fuck, dude. But all in all, very successful. This bitch wasn't even connected. Holy shit. Guys, I fucking suck. I do need to take a look at everything back here as well to make sure nothing's touching, melting, that type of stuff. So all in all, it doesn't look like anything is melting or touching, but you know, I got to go through and I got to do all of that. But other than that, yeah, no leaks on the coolant. Granted, I did not push the car. I mean, I'm on wastegate, but it doesn't look like it. Fuck, it's hot as shit. It doesn't look like anything's melted. Besides this. Besides this, of course. Yikes. But that'll do it. But everything else, like all this in here, I think I need to. Ow, fuck. Needs to get redone and rewrapped. So, but most of the time this car's gonna be running out without a hood, so air will be getting into it. But like, I need to get heat shielding here, probably all the way back. I would like it, maybe like a big piece, like all the way back to like right here and bend it. I need to get that. That looks good. Everything looks good back here. I think this is the cause. But other than that, man, that blow off and the turbo sounded so fucking good. Holy shit. Sized. Mid-build motivation, I guess. But, yep, I'm going to check on that leak. I'm going to monitor it. I've been monitoring my oil level and it's been fine. But just monitoring that over time. And then, yeah, I got to get a new one of this. I don't even, off the top of my head, I don't know what that is, but it has something to do with my brakes. So, yeah. But I don't know if you could hear the blow off. I'm going to go back and check it, but holy shit. The car felt amazing. It felt like it wanted to go. So, 3 or 4 things to address, and this car should be driving on the street. I'm glad I didn't take it on the street now, because, yeah. But anyways, I'm going to upload this short little video, probably 10 minutes, 12 minutes long, just of driving, because I owe you guys that. I appreciate it. Appreciate all the love. Peace out. I'll see you when I have all the parts in.